What up, Earthbound Army? I hope everyone's having a fantastic day, night, noon, morning, lunch, dinner, whatever it is in your part of the world. Now, in this video, I want to talk about crypto domains. Yes, I know I'm about 1 year late. It's been 12 months and people have been talking about this forever. And, I just kind of randomly learnt about it through one of the comments in my previous video. I did see domains being sold on opensea.io. I never really paid much attention to them or looked into them, but it seems like it's really interesting, and I think even though I'm late, it may be worthwhile making a video that's 2021 related to buying, selling, flipping perhaps crypto domain names and why they're important. So with that said, let's jump into the video and talk about crypto domains. So like I said, I'm a year late, and you can see here this article was written back in October 2019, and they're talking about the crypto domains. Why is crypto domain important? Okay, so first off, two things that I've learned. One is a crypto domain acts pretty much like a normal domain, like a .com DNS domain, right? It allows you to create a website on it, a web page on it. But the big and most important thing, and the biggest difference between a DNS and a crypto domain, is that it is on a decentralized platform. It's on the blockchain. So whereas a DNS is controlled by a centralized institution where they can take your content offline or remove it or delete it. If someone doesn't like what you're saying, they can potentially silence you. The difference is, on a decentralized web page or a crypto domain, no one person has it. It is on a decentralized platform, and that makes it very secure. The second big reason why you want a crypto domain is not only does it act as a web page, a very secure decentralized web page, it also acts as a wallet. Well, I mean, not a wallet, but a interface for your wallet. Now, we all know our crypto addresses. We have an address for our Bitcoin, for our Ethereum, for our Litecoin, our whatever. Now, if you click onto MetaMask here, you'll see your Ethereum wallet, right? It's like a 20 million digit code. And if you were to say, hey, send me some Ether to my wallet, you're gonna have to copy and paste this in. Not only that, you can make sure everything is correct, all the digits are the right one, because you don't want to send it to the wrong address. It's cumbersome, it's not user friendly. So if you have a crypto address, essentially what you can do is link that crypto address to your Ethereum wallet and say, hey, instead of sending to this 20 million digit code, just send it to david.crypto or earthbound.crypto. Okay, so it just kind of simplifies the process. Now, in Australia, for example, we have something known as Pay ID, where instead of putting in a person's account number and their bank business number, you can just say, hey, can you just pay it to my email, earthbound@gmail.com, or pay it to my mobile number, blah, 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 blah. So it acts as an interface between your wallet and the network, I suppose. So let's get into the crux of the video. How do you go about getting a domain name? Okay, so first you want to hop over to unstoppabledomains.com. I'm sure there's a few others out there, but this is the big one. This is the main one. They were one of the first ones, they're kind of reliable enough. There's some videos on YouTube saying how they're a bit shady with their business practices, but for the most part, everyone's been using Unstoppable Domains to get their domains. First, obviously, you want to sign up, create an account, link your MetaMask to this webpage. And what you need to do first off is, once you create a account, okay, you're starting fresh, you want to go into account settings. And you want to go to add wallet. Okay, you would have nothing here. When you start off, you'll have nothing here. You want to go into add wallet, and you want to add a Web3 wallet. Assuming that you have MetaMask, the extension, you want to click on Web3, and it'll ask you to sign in. So click that. And then it'll send you a code to your email. You just put in that 4-digit code. And then all of a sudden you'll have your wallet. So it'll pull the data from your MetaMask wallet, and if you notice, that code OX43D is the same as OX43D, last 4 digits 6B45, okay, 6B45. So essentially it'll just pull your Ethereum wallet address into the Unstoppable Domains. Okay, that's what you need to do first up. So there's a couple of strategies, okay? So if you're wanting to buy and flip domains, obviously you're gonna look for stuff that's popular. You're not gonna get Amazon.com, okay? Because they've kind of locked certain crypto domains because they know it's really popular. For example, Amazon.crypto, Apple.crypto, it's been locked, and you can click down here to say, hey, add to watch list, notify me when it's going to be released. Even the most obscure ones, I suppose, is locked or protected. Like, I tried searching big brands in overseas, like big brands in Saudi Arabia, and even that was locked. So they obviously have a good understanding of what people wanted to buy. Okay, so let's say you want to buy something. Let's see if I can find something that's available. So here, for example, I wanted to see if send me your coins.crypto was available. It was available, but it has been bought, okay? And someone is selling it on OpenSea. So let's just check this out, blah, blah, blah. So send me your coins.crypto, currently at auction on OpenSea, owned by 5C8BD3. Let's just check this guy's profile, this person's profile. Look how many domain names they've bought. Workoutplans.crypto, monsterbucks.crypto, whitetails.crypto, countrycharm.crypto. Okay, so this person is speculating on the fact that people may eventually in the future want to buy these domain names, okay? And it's currently at auction, so we'll just see how much it sells for. But let's see if we can find another one. Okay, so I've just literally spent the last couple of minutes trying to find a domain name that's available, and I couldn't find any. Eventually I just typed in send me your ether. Okay, so send me your ether.crypto is available to sell. Now what you want to do is there's two types of domain names at the moment: .zil, which requires Zilliqa to buy, and .crypto, which is on the Ethereum network. So let's just say you want to buy send me your ether.crypto. Okay, you go to add cart, and you'll see that your cart is updated. Okay, and now I did this earlier, and I just kind of videoed it, and I'm just gonna kind of talk over the process with you guys. So here you see that I have truepatriot.crypto that I bought earlier. Okay, so you click checkout and it'll give you a couple of payment options, including pay by card. I clicked pay by crypto because I had some ether left over which I wanted to use. And you click start transaction, you'll see a bunch of different available cryptos that you can use. Obviously I used Ethereum on the MetaMask wallet. And you want to copy the Ethereum address that you're paying to. Okay, that's important. You want to click the copy address, and then you want to click send, because you're sending money out from your address or your MetaMask wallet to Unstoppable Domains. So once you click send, you want to paste in their address there, and you want to then manually type in the amount owing. Okay, once you do that, you click next. And please double check, triple check everything just to make sure it's all correct before you send your precious crypto. So you hit next and then confirm. And here you can adjust the gas fees, save yourself a few dollars. It does make the transaction a bit slower if you choose the slowest option. But yeah, that's up to you. You can then hit the activity tab, and here you'll see that the transaction is pending. If you want to check out the Etherscan, you can just click the to link. This little window will pop up, and then you can click the little arrow there that says check in Etherscan, and it will bring you to the Etherscan web page, which tells you that it's currently pending transaction in queue. And yeah, so it's still pending. It hasn't processed to 100% yet. Okay, so we're back. Now that whole process took about 30 minutes, and I kind of left the computer, I went away, and by the time I came back, I clicked on the My Domains menu here on the left hand side, and then I noticed that truepatriot.crypto was available. It was there, it had been bought. I had bought it for $40 USD, and I paid Ether for that. And the important next step is you want to claim your crypto domain name. Okay, so essentially by claiming your crypto domain name, it means you move it from the Unstoppable Domains or how they store their domains onto your wallet, and it's yours. You want it move onto your wallet, especially if you want to sell it on a platform like OpenSea. Okay, you need to have it in your MetaMask wallet. So let's jump back into another video now. I apologize, but you can see here I bought pump and dump. That was kind of like an experiment. I probably shouldn't have spent real money on that, but I bought it anyway. And I bought another one. If you're Australian, then you know this is probably a decent buy, because potentially in the future, Woolworths, one of the big major chains of supermarkets, may want to, you know, jump on the crypto bandwagon, and they might want Woolworths.crypto. Anyway, so I bought that. Remember when I said you needed to add your wallet? Just remember that you've gone in and added your MetaMask wallet. Okay, this I'm just showing you how to do it again, but yeah, before you even go to buy a domain name, please ensure that you've connected and added your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so here we go. pumpandump.crypto. I click claim domain, send the process code by email. So you just go in and get the 6-digit code from the email that they send to your email that you used to sign up on. Then from there, you want to click connect the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Just read that and then click I understand. The grayed out box is indicating that you're willing to pay for the gas fees, the blockchain transaction fees, and then you want to click sign transaction. So your MetaMask wallet will pop up again. It will give you another fee there. Oh god, gas fees today was so expensive. So it cost me another $40 to claim the domain name. So all up, it was like 80 USD. So it says claim in process, and so there you go, pending claim. So just wait a bit. It may take up to about half an hour for the domain claim to come through, but once you go into my domains, you'll see that it will have this box that says manage, and if it says manage, then you definitely know that it's available for you, and it's moved from Unstoppable Domains over to your MetaMask crypto wallet. So the next thing you may want to do is to set up the crypto domain name to receive payments into your wallet. Now, if you go on to manage, you'll see this page here that says add cryptocurrency addresses. So if you have a BTC address, a wallet address, you want to click it there, put it there. If you want the Ethereum address, you want to put it there. So that Ethereum address will be pretty much your MetaMask address there. So any payments that people make for Ethereum, if they make it to pumpandump.crypto, it will go straight into your MetaMask Ethereum wallet address. So, and here you can do Litecoin, XRP, and ZIL. Looks like you can add a few other currencies as well. Now, people are wondering, how do I go about selling? How do I go about selling my domain? So here you go. It's just a nifty feature that you press sell. You can also just transfer too. So you can transfer to another wallet. It says, please do not transfer to an exchange address. You have to transfer it to an actual wallet. And like I said before, you know how you can create a web page using your domain? Well, yeah, you can just choose a template here, and people can go to, you know, pumpandump.crypto, and you know, they can see my page. But anyway, sell domain. This is how you sell the domain. You just click on list domain on OpenSea. So let's see what happened. I'm doing this for the first time with you guys. Okay, so pumpandump.crypto, and it's, I think once you put that there, it's connected to your MetaMask wallet already. So technically speaking, if you go into my collections, it should be in your collections, because remember, we moved it from Unstoppable Domain to your MetaMask crypto wallet. So everything that OpenSea has access to your crypto wallet, so it should pull everything that's sitting in your crypto wallet into your collections, and it hasn't. Go to my profile, and then you'll see everything in your wallet. Now, Woolworths.crypto is in my wallet, pumpandump.crypto is in my wallet. So True Patriot is not in my OpenSea wallet because I've yet to claim it. So remember guys, in order to get items into your OpenSea, you need to move it from Unstoppable Domains into your Ethereum MetaMask wallet through claiming it. Cryptos that I have claimed is available there. If I click on it and I just click on sell, then it will have the similar options as it does for like selling an NFT art piece. So you can do auction to highest bidder, sell at a set price, blah blah blah. So there you go guys, that's how you sell, that's how you buy domains and then sell it on OpenSea. Someone did ask me that, and I'm sorry for the long video. I hope it wasn't just jumping around too much, but that's essentially how you do it. Like I said, I'm new to this. Literally learnt this within one day after someone commented, can you make a video on how to buy and sell domains? And thanks to that person, I now know. So hopefully you guys get some value out of it. If you did, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.